Many people think that it's impossible to make money while taking care of your kids, but it is possible. In this video, I'm going to show you some creative ways to make money from home while taking care of your kids. You might be surprised at how simple it can be. Set realistic expectations. Understand that you won't be able to do it all, and that's okay. Be realistic about what you can accomplish in a day or week, and don't try to take on too much. Create a schedule and stick to it. Having a set schedule will help you manage your time more effectively. Make sure to block out time for both work and family/personal responsibilities. Get organized. This will help you make the most of your time and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Invest in a good planner or scheduling system that works for you, and use it religiously. Take breaks when you need them. Don't try to power through everything without taking breaks. Your mind and body need to rest at certain points during the day. Don't worry about not being too productive. Taking some time out can actually give you a mental boost and make it easier for you to work worse and better in the future. Many thanks to all the brave moms for all the great work they do. For more details, visit www.skdashonline.com.